Hi, my dear friends. There was a request from member who had got somewhere stuck with this second layer. There was a question. Based on that, I am making this video to help those of you who get stuck with this option. Okay. After this, you will not have any issues. You will be easily able to solve this second layer. The situation is like this. To fill these edges, okay, we must have two colors matching both sides, then only this will get filled. For example, this is in the wrong place, this is matching but this side is not matching. Here also see, this is in a wrong place, here this also in wrong place, so nothing is matching. This side is matching, this side is not matching. So this problem is that now we need to bring the edge piece here. We must have the edge piece on the top layer. Only edge pieces which are here on the top layer can be brought to the mid layer of the mid layer. Okay. Now here, what is the first condition that must be fulfilled to bring this edge piece from the top to mid layer is it must have two colors matching both sides. Any edge piece on the top layer must have two colors matching both sides, that is non-yellow edge piece, because it has only two colors. Which has yellow, that is irrelevant. Which should have two colors which will not have yellow. Okay, these two colors should match here. Now if you look at here, all are having yellow. This is having yellow, this edge piece, this also having yellow, this also having yellow, this also having yellow. Now what to do here? In this situation, what we have to do here is, first thing, any one piece of this will bring it to the edge piece in the mid layer, location of edge piece in mid layer, so that the piece which has two colors, currently it is wrongly placed, might be wrongly placed here, we need to take it up. Okay, we bring it here not to keep permanently, but release the one which is in wrong place, take them to top layer, and from there we'll take this to its appropriate place, right place. Then everything will get solved. Please watch what I am doing. Now this piece I will bring it here. It can be anything. Maybe this also you can bring it here, or this also you can bring it here. It can be anything. But first thing we need to do this. One we bring down so that we can take it up. Then all other one by one it will happen. Now if you look at here, this piece, let's take for this example. Okay, now we will bring this to down. Because we want to bring this to right side, what we need to do, we need to move this one opposite, only one move. Then we do one set of right side moves, move, bring it back and bring it back. Now weight is here, rotate it, total cube that side. Then you do one set of left side moves, move it, bring it back and bring it back. Now if you look at, that piece has come here and the piece which was here has gone on the top. Now if you look at here, it's already in right place, matching with the center, and then you see the top color, whether it is matching this side or this side. This side is green, not matching, this side is matching, this is red, blue is matching. Because we need to bring this to right side, what we do one move, top layer opposite, then we do one set of right side moves, move, bring it back and bring it back. Weight is here, rotate the whole cube to left side and do one set of left side moves, move, bring it back and bring it back. Now if you look at the other piece also has come, it is solved. Now one piece we got on the top which was here, it has come here. Now we need to match this color with the center piece. This side orange, this side is red, that means green is this side. Move to center piece matching. Now we have to look on the top, this color is matching that side or this side. This side is orange, no, this side is red, yes, this is matching this side. Because we want this edge piece to be in the left side, move the top layer opposite direction, only one move. Then we do one set of left side moves, move, bring it back and bring it back. Weight is here, rotate the whole cube opposite direction, this side. Do one set of right side moves, move, bring it back and bring it back. Now we see here the friends that edge piece also has come here, and what was here wrongly, it has come on the top. Now it is matching here, red, top blue is there. We need to see whether this is matching this side or that side. This side is green, So this side is blue. Yes, this is matching this side. Now what we need to do, we need to do one set of left side moves. Move, move, bring it back and bring it back. Now weight is here. Move the entire cube right side. Do one set of right side move. Move, move, bring it back and bring it back. Now we see other item also has come here. It is solved, and which was here wrongly, it has gone on the top. Now what we need to do, we need to match this color with the center color. This side is red, this side is orange. That means green is that side. Rotate. Yes, this is matching. Then you see the top color, whether this is matching that side or this side. This side is red. No, it is already matched. This side is orange. Yes, we need that piece here. Because we need this in the right side, what we need to do, we need to move the top layer one side, only one move opposite direction. Then we do one set of right side moves. Move, move, bring it back and bring it back. Now weight is here. Move the whole cube opposite direction, left side. Then we do one set of left side moves. Move, move, bring it back and bring it back. Now you see, my dear friends, here this also solved and this also solved. Which was wrongly placed has gone on the top. Okay, now we can take it to its right place. This is red, this side is orange, this side is red. Now it is matching here. Then see the top color, whether it is matching this side or that side. This side is green, is already matched. This side is blue. Now what we do, because we need this side, left side, move this to opposite direction, only one move. Do one set of left side moves. Move, move, bring it back and bring it back. Weight is here. Move the opposite direction, entire cube this side. Do one set of right side moves. Move, move, bring it back and bring it back. Now you see, my dear friends, the entire second layer been solved. That's it. Please do this. This is only one area you may get stuck. With this you will be able to solve it very easily. All the best. See you next video.